Visible my screen?
Yeah.
So I will start with the lab session today, okay?
Okay.
Was yesterday pending. We have to create the account and the, you can say, account structure, main account we have to create the structure and advanced rules for that. Because yesterday it was a theory session. Financial dimension was there
Yes.
also. I will show the financial dimension also. And I have
Okay.
sent the 2 videos yesterday. Did you watch that?
Yeah, I watched it.
So you got a clear confusion from that, anything? Hmm? Hello.
Yes. It's your sir.
Any confusion?
No confusion. We can go to the lab section today.
Okay.
Agree.
Hello. Yes.
Yes. Sorry, no, sir. Sorry for the interruption. Network issue.
Oh, sure. So I will be starting with your lab session. That is basically to create a main account category in the chart of accounts. So we have to create main account and create the advanced rule structure. So he has given the basically some scenario like we have an account manager. He wants to include some ratio value on some KPI report. So we have some report for that we have a ratio value. So ratio value will be calculated by dividing your current company's asset with the current liabilities. Okay. Current asset typically consist of cash, cash equivalents, account receivable, inventory, and marketable securities. These types of things comes under the current assets. So current liabilities consist of any liabilities that are payable within 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
Then we have to derive our asset value. How we derive asset value? It will be calculated by the asset account manager with the sum of your value of cash, account receivable,
Okay.
and inventory accounts. So it will be
Okay.
defined with that because you want to calculate your value of your current
It's
asset.
value
Okay.
of fixed.
So fixed
It is
assets are
called
not
a
considered here.
short time liability, right?
Hmm?
Short time liability. It is
Yeah.
called. And
So to
fixed asset.
perform this calculation, we need main account. We have to create a main account for that, and main account will be added to your chart of accounts. So that will be included for your existing calculation. So we have to basically set up your main account where we'll be doing this calculation to calculate our current asset value. So how we calculate that? We will go in the general ledger,
Okay.
general ledger, chart
Chart
of
of
accounts,
account. Main account.
accounts,
Main category.
and main
Main.
account categories because we have to create a category for that.
Okay.
We will create new record. He has mentioned the new record to create a put some value for that purpose. Description we put current account type we have to define. So we will define it. I will define it as a
Main account.
liability. Okay.
Okay.
So to link, we will link this to the main account. So this is showing the main account. We have to link it. With which main account we will link it? We will click the main account button we have clicked. And from the main account, we put India's chartered account. Expenses we will put for and this will be linked to your main account. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have to create a advanced rule. Okay.
Okay.
Advanced rule is setting. Likewise, we said likewise we have to create some additional information that we want to track. What is that is not included in your main account. That is for your creating an advanced rule. So it mentioned that we have to create a 80 to other customer for that purpose dimensions. So we will again go in
Okay.
the structure and we will advanced rule structure.
Okay.
I will also show how to create a main account, how to create a 5 months dimension. I will show this. First of all, I will do this lab. Then I create a new. Then I create a segment. Add conditions. We select in cost center. Okay, I will select cost center. Add segment. In the cost segment, I will enter So I have to activate this. Okay. So this is how we activate. Now we have to create any main account. We will go in the accounts, main accounts. So this is the main account. So you want to create a new from which template? Likewise, you have already templates built, account payable, account receivable. I will create from the account receivable and select this. So new template has been created for that. Template. So this will set up your new template.
Okay.
So it's depend whether you want a main account type, which type you want. I have asset, it has many things, profit, loss, revenue, expenses, balance sheet, liabilities. Then we
Okay.
have main account category, which is already select AR because I created AR type. And we
Okay.
have debit control, everything here. Then we have here likewise ledger override, which I last time discussed overrides that you want something to override in there. I want to company's data.
Okay.
I want to add this. So you can activate this and allocate here. Okay, this will be the allocate terms. So this can be checked in the allocate terms then. Okay.
Okay.
Also in the post validation, see how you want to post it. But this is not necessary. Then we have advanced rules. What are the advanced rules? You can check it. There is no advanced rule. Financial report. Likewise, you want to check for the transaction for this type, but there will be no transaction. See, zero. Because we have not any transaction. I want to check this already account this is having. I will check for this transaction. It will have some transaction. See, it's already set up in this. So this is your main account. How we create a main account. You got it?
Yeah.
So this is in the main account. We do what we do in the main account. How we create that. Then we have one minute. Chart of accounts. Chart of account, I said you can create your own account. Likewise, you have main accounts in that, and this we have chart of account. We create new account. It depends. Now we can create a new accounts in this. See, many accounts can be created in main accounts. See, main account will be created in this. You have to create, it will be created.
Okay.
Yeah, I create and save it. So it is saved here. See. So this is in chart of accounts. You can create main accounts. You got it?
Okay. I got it.
Then we have automatic selection type, but here will be no automatic. Okay.
Okay.
This is the chart of accounts, how we create accounts. Now we have dimension, financial dimension. So how we create the finance? We have first of all financial dimension, services parameters in this node. Then we have financial dimensions. This is last time I showed the financial dimension that video that we have use value, which dimension can we set up, which column there is a activate or this not. So you can copy values to your dimension also that you can do new. I will create new one. That's not an issue. Which type of agreement you want? I want cash accounts. It is inactive. Okay. I requires value for the dimension, so it does not have value. I will activate it. It will not take under. Okay, so in this I cannot create
Okay. I understand.
because this is a coding.
Dimension.
This is in learning error. Then we have dimension sets. In the sets, you can transfer from this transfer to another.
Okay.
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 So this was regarding the chart of accounts. There will many things in the chart of accounts. See, we have to configure account structure also. See, we can configure account structure. See, there is already a account structure. You want a new thing in this. Then we have main account categories. Main account templates. Then we have consolidation account type. This is not need of. Okay. Then we have funds. Fund, what type of funds we can use, but this is not need of. So I have shown you how we create a main account and chart of accounts. In chart of accounts, we can create a main accounts. This is regarding the templates. The template will be already there. So you can have the template. This is template. You have to create and name that. That's it. Then how is the allocation done? Allocation general I have showed last time, allocation generals. I think you remember that. Hello. Hello.
Yes, I'm hearing your voice.
I have shown last time allocation generals.
Okay.
So afterwards, there is a trial balance. Trial balance, I showed you how to check the trial balance. You can check it trial balance. Voucher transaction is there. Or these are reports regarding your that. Okay.
Yes.
And we have periodic tasks. How we do the periodic task, ledger settlement, how we do that. Okay. Okay. That's it. This was the lab basically. That's it. How to create a main account, category, and chart of accounts. So in yesterday videos, what you watch that is the same thing which I showed today.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm saying the video which I showed you yesterday has same thing shown in this, which I showed today, like configure account structure, advanced rules, how to main account, chart of account, same thing I showed. Hello.
Just wait. I just want to know one thing. I just searching that. This is chart of accounts. Yeah. And how to create a custom financial dimension. Hello.
Yes.
And how to create a custom financial dimension.
Custom financial dimension. That
Ah,
was shown in
yes.
video.
Yesterday video. No.
Hmm? So this is custom dimension financial. You are saying customize. So financial
Yeah,
dimensions, I
customize.
go here. So I set up a new here. New is already set up. I create that. See, already this is set up. See, I will go in the derived dimension. This can be set up in derived dimensions. Legal entity I will set up for this and save it. Then we have segment actions in this we put it. This is derived dimensions.
Okay.
For this customize, we have to go for the dimension values to check. So you will check here the dimension values which to put here and save that. And we can also go for external codes. Okay.
And
This is
active and delete financial dimension.
hmm?
Active and delete financial dimension.
Setup hierarchies.
Yeah.
Here you can set up.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the hierarchy for
These
that.
all are called by structures and advanced rules.
Huh?
These define and configure accounts and structure and advanced rule.
Define and configure. I
Yeah,
have shown
configure.
that advanced rule. Same was the here. What was it? Structure advanced rule. It was same here. This is the advanced rule structure. Here, structure. You
Okay,
have to
okay.
create your own structure here.
One
Advanced
structure.
rule. I have created current account. See, Then I can duplicate it also.
Duplicate it also.
I have created this.
Then why we using a duplicate?
Huh?
Why we using a duplicate?
You want to duplicate your that rule that time.
Okay. 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 I will do practically myself, and I have any doubt means I will ask you.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay,
Okay.
okay, fine. Okay.
And also one thing, yesterday link class link and today class link you can send in the WhatsApp also.
I
By
have started
tomorrow
already on the mail.
mail you send the YouTube link only. No, how can I download it?
You
And
can
also
download.
I
There comes the option of download.
in YouTube self you saying.
Actually, I don't have that video that has been deleted. That's why it is uploaded on YouTube. You
Okay,
can
today you
watch
class
anytime
then,
YouTube link. That's why you can watch
but
anytime that
I
video.
want to watch offline. Sometime I don't have net means I want to offline.
See, you can download today YouTube downloader, then download that video. That's it. Then you can delete that.
Okay, you can send today WhatsApp also in today class link.
I will send today the link of class link. That's not an issue.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Thanks. Thanks. Bye.